The question is 12 divided by 1/6 times 200. Let's write it in the correct format. 12 divided by 1/6 times 2. Now, we know that division and multiplication have the same priority, so we'll check from left to right. When checking from left to right, whatever comes first gets the first priority, and whatever comes second gets the second priority. So here, the first priority is given. Division has the second priority here. Multiplication is here, and when we solve this, we'll solve it like this. 12 divided, we'll turn the division into multiplication. Multiply by 1 by 6, so we'll take its inverse and make it 6 by 1. Then multiply by 2, which stays the same. Multiply by 2 stays the same. Now, we do 12 into 6 into 2. 12 into 6 into 2 becomes 12. Now 12 into 12 equals 144. This is the right answer.